I'm Grace. I'm Yanni.
I'm Jay. I'm Tony, and we are
LCSIGN.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to our FestPark show. And this is our booth. You can see that it comes with many signboards. All come with all kinds of sign displays. It's like a bit of like a showroom. And the first board here is got a TV, displays our latest factory video. We're also gonna upload it on YouTube. And down here is a slim light box that shows all the certifications we have. And over here, you can see we show all the hot selling models of our LED signs. No matter it come with the brushed surface, solid acrylic in the back, backlit sign the same, and all these acrylic letters, also this side lit acrylic letter, and this infinity mirror with glass and stainless steel channel. I want to know that how long have you been working with LCSIGN?
Only recently we started to do 1 or 2 projects together.
Yes.
So just some basic neon, and then we have one in production at the moment.
Yes.
For a good client of ours, Rare Breed. And they're opening up a gym soon, so I'll give you their Instagram
It's awesome.
details.
Awesome.
So they're doing some big feature wall signage. So yeah, we do a lot in the display space. So short-term activations, not long-term signage, but this type of thing for events.
Good for events, yes, I see.
Yeah.